Hey, congratulations, Michael, on your property in Kwinana. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself before meeting Infinite Wealth? What did your financial future look like?
It was pretty bleak, didn't really have a plan, so yeah, I needed something.
Yeah, cool. And what's changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
No, it's, at least now I've got a plan that I can have a retirement plan because of the way my age is, it works better that way. So.
Yeah. And what has been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
It's been great, yeah. Nick's been really good, so I'm really happy with it.
Yeah. And how does your financial future look now?
It looks fantastic. At least I've got a retirement plan, which is instead of having just lotto. So
yeah, awesome. And would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family? And if yes, why?
Yes, and I have, because I found that was probably the best way of making a financial future. So.
Yeah, wonderful. Thank you so much.
No worries.